What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Iowa, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an old Thanksgiving turkey, baby. Whether it's your first time or you just need a little refresher course, I got a simple but delicious way to make a badass turkey. But it's going to take a little while to cook, so we need to get rolling. Alright, the Thanksgiving turkey. Now the first thing that you want to do is take your turkey and rinse it off in the sink a little bit. And then you want to go right up its ass, boy. And take out all the giblets, like the neck and the things that they put in there. You can set those to the side. Some people throw them away, some people put them in and cook them. I won't put them in and cook them today. Now, once you got that all emptied out, we are going to go ahead and take a whole stick of butter. Now see, all you need to do this turkey is butter, salt, and pepper. That's all it takes. You don't need nothing fancy. You don't need any basil or any kind of shit like that. You know, sometimes people make shit look too complicated and just scares you away from doing it. Alright, take that half a stick of butter and rub it right on top. Don't even worry about melting it down. Rub it in good, and anywhere that you see a crease or anything like that, make sure you get that too. Sides of the legs, the whole deal, baby. Rub it in there. Alright, and once you get it good and covered like I got it there, then you can go ahead and add your salt. Get that salt right on top of there. And you want to do the same thing. Just rub it in, mix it in with the butter there. Now that butter, it's going to be on top of there, and it's going to give it a good brown crust, man. It's what makes it look good. Makes it look like it does in the catalogs or on TV, man. Pepper, same deal, baby. Rub it in. And then once we get it good and covered like that, now we're ready to get over to the oven and put it in. So let's wash our hands and get started with that. Alright, time to put this big bird in the oven. Now, it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. And cook time on these things, you know, usually the rule of thumb is they say 15 minutes for every pound. We got a 14-pound turkey here, so it's going to take us about 5 hours or so. Now, this did have that little red pop-up thermometer in it. I took it out, threw it away. I don't trust those things, man. I got a meat thermometer. And so the thing about it is, you want to make sure that your turkey is temped at 165. That means it's done. Then you don't have to worry about salmonella or none of them nasty chicken, poultry diseases that they have. Now, if you don't have a roasting pan like I do here, and you're just using your oven at home, make sure that you get one of those roasting pans, either the nice one that you can, you know, you've had for years and you can hand down to your grandbabies and your grandbabies' grandbabies, or just go to Walmart and get one of the throwaway ones. You just want something to catch that juice and keep it moist. Now, speaking of which, we're going to take the other half of that stick of butter we were rubbing on top of it, and we'll put it right up that turkey's ass. Don't worry about it, the turkey enjoys it. It's a freaky turkey, man. Yeah, that's going to keep it moist. And then we're going to check this thing about once an hour. You don't want to open it up too much, because when you open the lid up or you open the oven door up, you're going to lose your heat, and it just takes longer for it to cook, and it cooks unevenly when you do that. So try not to. I know you want that turkey bad, boy, but you gotta stay away and let it do its thing, let it work. So we'll go ahead and put the lid on this, set the temperature to 325, and that's across the board. If you're cooking in a roaster, if you're cooking in the oven, 325 is the way you want to go. And like I said, we'll check back here in an hour, and we'll see where we're at. Alright, baby, my whole house is smelling like turkey, so I know this thing's about done. This thing's been in here for about, I'd say 6.5 hours, maybe 7 hours. And yeah, now we got that good golden brown color. We'll go ahead and take our meat thermometer, and as long as we're hitting 165, then we're good to go. Right on the money. So we're gonna pull this turkey out, set it to the side, and let it rest for 20 minutes, and that'll allow it to suck up all the juices and get everything right with it. And let it rest, let that meat be perfect for when you're ready to carve it, baby. So we'll do that while we make our sides. Let's go. Alright baby, the time has come. The Thanksgiving turkey is done. And I'm having the first bite for me. You know what I say? If you cooked it, you get the leg. Oh, damn, that's good stuff. Make you want to do the turkey strut. Yeah, baby. That's some good stuff. Got that good butter flavor on there, just like I wanted. Well, I want to thank y'all for watching this episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can watch all my other cooking videos and beer reviews right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you next time.